Hey guys, and today I'm gonna teach you how to switch keycaps on your keyboard. Once you finish, it can look unique and however you like it, like this. It may even sound different or have a different texture. Now, first of all, you're gonna need one of these wire keycap pullers and two of these for safe spacebar removal. Now, what you have to do is, I'm gonna use this F12 key as an example. You have to fit this like that and turn it about 45 degrees right. And then you pull it straight upwards very gently. And then as you can see, we can take one of these keys out really easily. Now we have to do this method to every key except for the ones with stabilizers. Now the ones with stabilizers, also called stabs, would be the space key, the backspace key, the enter key, the shift key over here, this insert key, the enter key, and this plus. Now, excluding those, we can use this method to easily take out all of these keycaps. Now let's do that. Now this is gonna be quite boring for you, so I'll just record a time lapse. We removed all of the keycaps that we could with the wire keycap remover. Now, as you can see here, we remove everything except for the ones with stabilizers. Now, I just wanted to tell you guys a quick tip. Now, whether you twist your keycap puller left or right is depending on the situation. If there's another keycap blocking this key on the right side, you can twist it left. But if there's something blocking it on the left side, you can twist it right. That way, you can make it more safe and efficient. So here it doesn't really matter because there are no keycaps blocking on either sides. Well, now we have these left. The stabilizers we're gonna deal with later. Now, the keycaps we're going to be using to replace the original ones are going to be the Sao Paulo Dolce keycaps. Let's open this. Now, the keycaps you want, you can, I believe, you would have already ordered them if you're watching this video. But make sure they're compatible with the type of keyboard that you have. Because if not, that'll be a waste of time and money. Okay, now how you put in a keycap is very simple. You grab one, find its original place, make sure this cross goes in at the exact place of the switch, and just gently push downwards. And just like that, you replace the keycap. Now I'll create a time lapse of me replacing all of these keycaps and see you guys then. Okay guys, now we completed filling in the ones without the stabilizers. Now we have to get into the hard part, which is removing and replacing the stabilizers. Now, except for the spacebar, you can use the wired key remover. Like the same procedure, you put this in place, turn it left or right, 45 degrees, and pull it directly up. Now you repeat that with every single stabilizer here. And to just be extra careful that you use that you pull it directly upwards, because if you don't, the stabilizers might get damaged or misplaced. Now these keys are a bit different since they're placed like that. You have to put it in from the top and then twist it 45 degrees. Like that. Okay, now that we finished this, we're gonna have to take out the space bar. How I like to do it is you take 2 of these and then you fit them in around a third of the space bar. Make sure you hear the clank sound, which means it's attached itself. Now you have to pull it out. There we go. There's rarely any chance for it to get damaged or such. Now that we took these out, we have to learn how to take the stabilizers out. Now these are a part of the stabs, and I recommend you have a tissue to wrap it around because it may be pre-lubed, and then make sure to hold the sides. It's the best chance you have. Oh, there we go. Now remove all of the stabilizers under these keys. And don't worry about getting them messed up because they are all the same. Sure. Now normally it isn't this easy to remove it, so again I recommend you have a tissue to hold the sides, and if it's plugged in very tightly, then your fingers may experience a lot of pain, so make sure to wash it in water or just rest once in a while when you do this. Now, once you've removed all of these little things, you have to gather the keycaps from your custom keycaps. Now, you just put them in the exact same manner that was on the original keycaps. Just gently slide it in at the correct spot. Make sure to keep the direction the exact same. Now the shift key goes here, so you just snap it in place. Make sure you can hear the snap sound when you put it in, or else it's not fully entered in. And then it might cause future damage, or perhaps even the stabilizers breaking, which again is not good. Now again, when you plug it in, make sure you hear the snap sound that reassures you that it went in the right spot. Now we're gonna do the shift key. Now again, putting it in should be relatively easier than taking them out. We are going to leave the spacebar for last because it's one of the most important keys, and sometimes things can go wrong and mess up your keyboard or the stabilizers. And if your keyboard stabilizers are built under this base, then it's going to take a lot of time and effort to take out, so make sure you try really hard on that. And now we're gonna do our backspace, and then we'll only have our space bar left, and then we'll be done with our switch replacement. Now, what's special about these is that they have 2 holes on each side, so you have to determine which one you have to put the stabilizers in. Here for me, I have to use the ones at the end. It might be different for you, so make sure to watch out for that. And just like that, we're finished with our keyboard. Now Thank you for watching about how to switch the keycaps, and I hope you have a great day.